We need to get to the decision.
Yeah, here's my answer, Tom, right here. That's my answer.
You're leaving.
I know what she do by my back. I know what she do. I'm not could nothing for nobody. You understand? Nobody.
Okay.
Nobody.
Okay.
Nobody.
Okay. Jess, over to you. Stay or leave.
I had the opportunity to meet his family, and I think that he should have the opportunity to come into my life and to see how my family are, and so I chose to stay.
Staying.
You gotta be fucking joking. Tom, she make me put concrete on her father's driveway, free of charge, at least the 3 meters.
Poor guy.
Don't be so upset, hon. It'll be fun.
Yeah, we're gonna have fun this week. We're gonna have fun pulling out your father's driveway. That's the fun we're gonna have. Pull out that fucking concrete bit by bit. I know she's been gone by my back with Dan, but it doesn't matter to me because I'm already married. But I spoke to Dan, and Dan's not a bad man, you know. He said to me, Pippo, we got some, I got a business, you just give me $50,000 and I double your money in 2 weeks. I said, no, well, there you go. Hopefully it's not a scam, you know.